Cancer. It's the word we fear most. A diagnosis that feels like a life sentence. But here is the truth. Cancer doesn't happen overnight. It is a process, a collection of errors building up over years or even decades. Today, rates are rising and patients are getting younger. Why? Modern life brings comfort, but it also brings hidden risks. In this video, let's replace fear with facts, because understanding the cause is the most powerful vaccine you have. As the last video, we know cancer starts with damaged DNA. But the real question is, what is tearing your DNA apart? Science confirms that over 70% of cancer cases are linked to what we eat, drink, breathe, and how we live every day. So let's identify the biggest culprits. Number 1, tobacco. Public enemy number 1. Nothing destroys DNA faster than cigarette smoke. It contains over 7,000 chemicals, including at least 70 that directly cause cancer. And it doesn't just cause lung cancer. These toxins enter your bloodstream and travel throughout your entire body, causing cancers of the throat, esophagus, bladder, and kidneys. And please take note, secondhand smoke, inhaling smoke from others, is just as dangerous. If you want to protect your loved ones around you, please quit smoking today. Number 2, the modern diet. Are we eating our way to disease? We are living in an era of ultra-processed foods. First, there are red and processed meats. Sausages, bacon, and canned goods often contain nitrates. When consumed, these chemicals significantly increase the risk of colorectal cancer. Second, sugar and refined carbohydrates. While they don't cause cancer directly, they lead to obesity, which is a major risk factor for at least 13 different types of cancer. Here is why. Excess body fat creates chronic inflammation, which essentially fuels the growth of cancer cells. First, air pollution, known as PM 2.5, can penetrate deep into our lungs and bloodstream. This significantly raises the risk of lung cancer and other serious conditions. Second, water pollution. Contaminated water sources containing heavy metals like arsenic, microplastics, or industrial runoff are silent dangers. Long-term exposure is strongly linked to cancers of the liver, bladder, and digestive system. Finally, chemical exposure. Industrial substances like asbestos, benzene, and pesticides are highly toxic. Without proper protection, prolonged contact leads to what we call occupational cancer. Did you know that 15 to 20% of all cancers are linked to infections? First, the HPV virus. This common virus is a leading cause of cervical cancer and throat cancer. Second, hepatitis B and C. These viruses silently attack the liver, causing cirrhosis and significantly increasing the risk of liver cancer. Finally, H. pylori bacteria. Living in the stomach, this bacteria causes ulcers, which can eventually develop into stomach cancer. First, genetics. Surprisingly, only 5 to 10% of cancers are caused by inherited genes. For instance, mutations in the BRCA1 or BRCA2 genes significantly increase the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. Second, the age factor. As we get older, our body's ability to repair DNA naturally declines. Over time, genetic errors begin to accumulate. This is simply the unavoidable law of nature. So, that is a summary of the main causes leading to cancer. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a comment below. I will see you in the next video.